Page 5, Camptown Races. Now they give little paragraphs at the top of these pages explaining certain things. I'm not really covering all that stuff, but you can read about that. Stephen Foster, who wrote this piece, wrote a whole lot of really wonderful songs and things back in the 1800s. He would be the equivalent of today's composers who write all these rock pieces that everybody goes gaga for, you know, the top 10 and all that. Back in the 1800s, Stephen Foster would be one of these people. Now, for Camptown Races, I don't have a lot to say here. It's pretty straightforward. I'll just point out a few little tricky things that may throw you. Starting with the right hand. At the beginning, I see nothing on the first line. They're mostly quarter notes and half notes. Hopefully you can do those. But when you get over to the last measure, that is soft. It's like an echo of the doo-dah is an echo of the previous doo-dah. Doo-dah, doo-dah. And it's staccato. Then watch the fingering. It's still third finger on the C. And then second line, second measure, it's two staccatos. And then cross over. And then two staccatos again. Now, third line. Here, we're going to come out of this position, and we're going to go into this position. The extended position, because that's what this chord is. These notes in the first two measures of the third line is this chord. So we're fingering it that way. Don't forget the staccatos. Next measure, that's the third measure, third line, again, dotted rhythm with staccatos. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So work that out slowly until you get it. Last measure, second measure, staccatos, and crossover and staccatos. It says onomato. I don't know how fast onomato is. Animated is what it is. How fast is that? Well, how fast would it be if you sang it? So it's piece. It's a fun piece, so it's a party piece is what it is. So you decide how fast you're going to play it or sing it or both, and that's how fast you'll take it. So let's try this out. It's got a pickup beat. 4/4 time will give us 3 counts. Right hand here, left hand here, one, ready, go. Three, 4. Two, 3, 4. Two, 3. Three, off.